Welcome to our channel, Expat Living in the Philippines. We have hired um, chainsaw already. They came they came yesterday, but they only work for 2 hours. And this is what they have done yesterday. The mango trees here that falls down up here, yeah, they have done it here. So hopefully we can mowing this part here, so if we can put all this log together, maybe I will put that there, join there at that bundle of logs there. And now they come back again. But this is another chainsaw people, chainsaw man. They come back. They came here, so we did let them chainsaw the entrance, the mango there in the entrance. And then yeah, this is the yesterday. This one here is yesterday up, and also that one there, and this one here. And that one there, this is done yesterday, but now we hired another one because they cannot come back anymore, so we hired another. So they started to cut the logs here. Before, there's a big logs here, so this is the one. They cut it into 4 pieces, this one here, because we cannot move it. We cannot move it from there because it's too big and too heavy. So they cut it into 4 here now. So we move it here, and then there's another one there. So hopefully I can clean this part here. And I ordered mowing, what do you call that, cordless or battery operated mowing. Hopefully it will help me clear our farm, because we cannot really hire people. All the people here are very busy because all the houses here was down during the Odette. Even this time, it's already how many months? It's December, January, February, March, April, and it's already May. It is almost 5 months, but then the people here are still very busy on building the house, or the carpenter. We cannot hire the anyway, we have no power yet, so we cannot really. But there's a carpenter came yesterday and estimated the estimated what we need to repair this cottage here. First we will repair this cottage first, and then, but only the roofing and the ceiling, and we are there already at the in the front of the gate. They're doing the mango tree there that fall down in the near the gate. So yeah, after that maybe we will let them do here this part here, so we can clear this part here and then move this this pile here to that file there. So it's only one file, and we will let them cut this into pieces, this one here. So yeah, it's a big log here. Yeah, Michael is the one who cut the branches here, so we can just pass. This is the driveway to the house there. So yeah, we managed to cut the branches too, so the car can pass through to the other house. So that's what we are doing here now in the farm. We started like a scratch because we have already done, and it is nice already, and we plan to build the ablution block, but no, we cannot do it anymore because we have to repair our cottage there, this cottage and the other house there on the top. That is the priority, so maybe we cannot do the ablution block, or maybe we can, if we can repair the house up the top, because my daughter and the children will be transferring back to Bukidnon in Manolo. Yeah, so they prefer to stay there for a while because we have no power, and no, it's hard here by this time. We have no water, and then during the night it's too dark. So, and yeah, I pity my grandchildren. So yeah, I just say yes when they said that they will be coming back to Bukidnon. So they have a good life there, because here, yeah, they have a good life, but it's not now. No water and no power. It's not good for the kids. So yeah, that's what happening in our farm now, guys. But yeah, we will do it slowly because we do it bit by bit, because we also having problem on the financial to pay the chainsaw man, then to pay the person that is mowing, because we cannot do it ourselves. So that's all, guys. We will just do it bit by bit, and hopefully if we can repair the house there, we can accommodate, I think, 5 people, or if we will convert that portion of the house to into one room again, we can convert, we can accommodate 2, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 people for bed and breakfast. We will do it so we have a little income, but I have not decided yet how much a night, just to relax here if somebody wants to relax, and because it's really a nice view here. But we will still clean up before we will do it. Yeah, it's still very nice here, guys, but it's too hot. Yeah, the plants is wilting, so I am now watering them. Yeah, I slowly planted again some plants, because this was all down by the Odette. Our fruits is all gone. So yeah, that's what is happening here on my plants, guys. But slowly I'm uh, slowly replanting again. So hopefully I don't know what happened. They stopped chainsawing. Oh, there they are. Uh, Maybe they put some gasolina on the chainsaw, because yeah, they stopped the job or the work. So here we are. There are, yeah. guys. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I have given you the update of what we are doing here in our farm. We are doing, or we are restarting our farm. Our rabbit cage, which is there, it's gone. We burn it, and all our rabbits is gone also, and our choke house also was partially damaged but not down to the ground. So our pig, we sold it, so we have no more, only we have only what is that, the native chicken here. Yeah, so guys,